Which techniques to choose for medical depictions for art and education? So the first thing is to decide which technique we are going to use for a specific purpose. For example, drawing permits total freedom in creating images. So if you want to depict a specific surgical image, for example, drawing can be very interesting. Whereas AI is easy to learn and fast to use, but leads to less accurate depictions and can have poor results for specific topics. So, AI tends to be good for art, but not that much for teaching. AI is more beautiful, AI is prettier, but it's less accurate. So, if you are going for a more academic idea, if you are aiming to teach a subject, for example, drawing or painting, maybe the superior technique. Whereas, if you want to create something beautiful to spread your art, your vision, your ideas, then AI may be the best choice for you.